Hello class, my name is Mike Nolan and this is my multimedia introduction for MPA 580 Legal and Ethical Issues. So currently I'm about halfway through the program. I recently returned to school last year after graduating from CBU with a bachelor's degree in criminal justice. So this is my family. The little guy in the middle, that's my son Jude. Most of these pictures are fairly recent from this most recent Halloween, Thanksgiving, and then just before Christmas, we went up to the mountains to take them to see the snow for the first time. As a family, some of the things that we enjoy doing when I'm not at work or when I'm not attending to homework is we're big LA Kings hockey fans. So we'll head down to Staples Center and catch a hockey game. One of my proud accomplishments as a parent is I've finally taught my son when he sees the hockey games on TV to shout "Go Kings Go" at the TV. So that was a big accomplishment for us this year. And then the bottom right, that's his Halloween costume this year. Mom was Olive Oil, and he was Popeye for this year's Halloween. And then when I'm not spending time with family or school, a majority of my time is consumed by work. Most recently, I was with the Banning Police Department for 12 years and held several different assignments while I was with them. But my family and I decided to move to Orange County. And so prior to moving to Orange County, secured a job out here. And now I'm currently employed by the Santa Ana Police Department. Um, Much different than the Banning Police Department. Was a much smaller agency. We pretty much knew everyone that we worked with. And the top left is the most recent picture of all hands on deck department photograph. So we have over 340 some officers now, I think it is. Well, that pretty much sums up me and my presentation. I thank you guys for taking the time to watch, and I look forward to getting to know a little bit about each and every one of you and working with you throughout this course. Thanks again.